Hey guys, so I'm back with another educational video. This one's going to be about effectively using your feeder chuckle. If you're not subscribed, please jump over and subscribe, and also if you would like this video, it helps me show up in the YouTube algorithm. I really enjoy making these videos and I want to continue to grow so that I can reach a broader audience and maybe help even more people. Alright, so feeder chuckle. If I'm going to explain this to someone like they've never picked up a duck call, I'm going to start with the word tick. Alright, so the word tick has a T that is on the tip of your tongue, starting consonant sound, the T, and then you end with the K. Alright, those are two different sounds, but they both have a sharp emphasis in the beginning and in the end of the sound. So if I'm telling you to pick up your duck call now, okay? I want you just to do the T sound. It's a quick burst, and you cut it off by raising the tongue up from the bottom of your mouth to the roof of your mouth. I don't know if you've ever seen a video of mallards swimming all around in a big pool. You'll hear them doing that exact sound. It's like they're being fat and happy. That's the. All right. So now if we're going to incorporate the end of the word tick, the k sound, you're just going to hit your T and then follow up with the k. It almost rolls together. Now I know that doesn't sound good, but we're not necessarily trying to master it the first time we pick the call up. All right, so after you get the down, I want you to slowly work on speeding it up. So you don't have to do this with a call. You can do this at any time of the day, riding in your car, sitting at your desk at work. It can be any time of day. You just do get faster and faster, and your tongue will get stronger, and it'll be easier on you. One big thing I tell people when trying to learn how to feeder chuckle, you don't start off going 75 miles an hour. You have to ease into that. And it's almost like when you do get used to actually using your tongue in the way that is more efficient, you actually don't have to put as much pressure on your tongue because your tongue has that muscle memory. So I'm going to start very slow and ease into a fast feeder chuckle, and then I want you guys to practice it and let me know if this helps you. Okay, I'll do it again. That wasn't a great transition, but alright, so practice this, and then I'm going to give you a little bit more. I'm going to change the word into chick, and we'll use Dugga, but you know what the rhyme would be. All right, so chick. Chick is going to sound different. It's much higher, it's raspier, it's got some more growl, and then I'm going to switch to the D sound, and it's going to be more throaty. Work on your T's. I'll make another video on the other ones, and we'll dig even deeper if you guys like this video. Check out some of my other ones. I'm going to link them now. And like I was saying before, if you would subscribe, it helps me out so much. Thanks guys. Can't wait to make more.